When it comes to machine embroidery, you will find 1 million ways to tackle it. Whatever way you decide to go, I have a project for you today that you can enjoy with the whole family. Hi, I am Maday of Free Spirit Designs by Maday, a learning and sewing studio based in the Midwest. Today, I will show you some of the tips and tricks for getting the whole family involved in an embroidery project using the Skyline 9. Machine embroidery can seem so daunting, but as you delve into this and you get your children and your extended family members involved, you will see that this is the perfect project for this time of year. Let's get started. Thread your machine using a dark thread. This will make it easier to create a clear boundary of shapes to paint at the end. I love to use the start and stop button on my Janome sewing machines or embroidery so that I don't have to keep track of my foot pedal on the floor and I am free to move at will. Hoop the sticky wash away stabilizer, making sure that you have no bubbles. Place the fabric that you wish to embroider on top and press down carefully to make sure that your fabric is smooth. I prefer to use sticky stabilizer rather than hoop my fabrics. I feel that I have a bit more control over my piece and that my embroidery design will not be compromised in the event that the hooping pops out of the hoop. After you install the hoop, before you start embroidering, place a piece of stitch and tear floating under your hoop. As your machine stitches, the tearaway will no longer be floating. This makes it easier to remove from the back of your piece once the embroidery is finished. The tearaway will act as a color catcher when we color our block with the fabric pens. After embroidering your favorite design, built in, give your loved ones an opportunity to participate in your project by coloring in the shape with fabric markers. You can then use the squares to create home decor, including future apparel construction, mail out Christmas letters, if you mail out cards, frame as individual art pieces to decorate studio or children's play areas. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this project has inspired you to try something new, especially the built-in embroidery designs in your Janome embroidery machines. This is a project that you can enjoy with the whole family, and you can embroider, mail to your family and friends that are near and far, have them complete the project, mail it back to you, and assemble into wedding quilts or other special projects. Thank you.